Hi everyone, this is Hannah here. I thought I would show you this mixed media box. This is the May mixed media box, the premium kit. This is what you will receive for just a month-to-month box, or whether you do the 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month prepay. This is what you will get for the premium. I'm featuring the Golden Coast, Prima Marketing's one of their newest collection, Golden Coast. So let me go ahead and show you that. I know I had showed some of it in the kit the other day, or the video the other day. Let's see, I've got these pages all. Let's see here. Okay. Alright, so this is one of the pages here. Get 6 of the pages, one of each in the collection. I like this one. But I like with the kind of the map on the back. And then here's this page. Love this page with the seahorse, the floral, and then this is the back, like a map, and then the sailboats, and then this one here, the floral. So there's so much that you can do with, with this. And there's the back of that one. So you'll get one of each sheet. You'll also get a pack of the flowers from the collection, because I love to use flowers in my collection. You'll also get the Finnabair 3D Gloss Gel, the white heavy gesso. This is a little container of crackle paste, white crackle paste. Then you'll also get, these are fun paints. I love these Finnabair paints. This one is in, oh, I was looking in the other languages. I'm like, what color is that? Blue green. This is, and then this one in the middle is the teal blue. And then this one here is the yellow pink. It's yellow if you paint on a white surface, and it's pink if you paint on a black surface. That's what's really neat about these. So you'll get all of that. Really great products to use. You'll also get some seam binding, Tim Holtz Black Soot ink, a stamp, just kind of for some texture, or just add. My kids are just fighting today. Alright, got some lace. It's like a, I guess, lace material. Then here's some lace. Here's some burlap. Also some seashells. Some of these little diamond melange by Finnabair. I love these. Also Prima doily stencil. And then the neat part of this, you get 3 of these embroidery hoops with the muslin material. It's kind of a deal where you get a bigger one and then 2 small ones. I thought that would be really neat. That would make great wall art. So you'll get that. You'll also get oh, I don't know, my brain went away. A knife, palette knife, I think. And then a brush. Get 2 different kinds of brush. 2 different brushes. So that will help. I like with this particular, there we go, with this particular brush, I like to use, like if you're going to just dry gesso something, I like using this kind of brush. This kind of brush would, where's it at? There we go. Would work good too, or I thought this would mainly be for your painting part. You know, add a little paint. If you wanted to spray some water to kind of get that watercolor effect, you know, this is a good brush to use for that. And then also for the handmade gift. Sorry, I've got these. They're like almost dried, and I want to finish, make sure they're completely dry before I package them, just because, you know, when you pack something and mail it, you know, the temperatures vary so much, and I would hate for these pieces to be ruined. So what this is, these are faux textured resin pieces. I have a mold that I use. Let me grab that. I had bought this at the store. It's Mod Podge, and it's a mold that makes these pieces, and I put hot glue in it, and then just let it cool completely, and then I did probably about 3 coats of gesso, you know, and I did it on both sides. And then I come back and I do about 3 coats of the texture paste. Let me show you that. It's the textured paste, The Old Walls by Finnabair, and this one is, where's it at? Oh, it's the cream. Let me see if I can get. There we go. Yeah, it's the cream texture effect paste. I love this stuff. I have the rust effect paste, but I just wanted to leave these plain. I didn't want to add color and stuff because, you know, that's what the paint is for in the kit. So I didn't want to take away from any of that. I want her to, you know, to have fun and have room to, you know, exercise her creativity. So these are the handmade gifts that will be coming in with the kit, and like I said, I'm just wanting to make sure these are completely dry. This is a little octopus, a little seashell, bigger seashell, a sand dollar, an anchor, seahorse, and starfish. So I thought these were just really, really neat. Try to kind of zoom in a little bit there. So I love using these. Looks like, I don't know if that's something black on there. I think something black is on there. I'll probably have to paint over it again just to cover it up. So, but yeah, that is the kit, shipping it out, and which of course, you know, Memorial Day weekend, you know, it'll take a little bit longer to get there, but she'll be getting it, you know, early part of next week. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I will be, you know, getting this, you know, we've got, I guess about another week, you know, for these boxes, the May boxes to be available. I am still working on the June boxes. Those will feature the other newest paper collection by Prima, Fruit Paradise, because I was going to go with Graphic 45's Lost in Paradise, but we're still waiting for that to ship. It looks like it's going to be about the first week of June before that ships out. So we're going to kind of take a break from the beach stuff. We're going to kind of go into kind of a fruit themed, which I really like. The papers are gorgeous, as I showed you in my other video. And so I want to come up with some kind of fun projects for that. But if you have any questions, any suggestions, please feel free to comment those below. I do appreciate you subscribing to my channel, following me on my social media, supporting me and my family in this venture. And thank you so much, and I hope y'all have a great Memorial Day weekend. Bye.